our surveyor community. Welcome at our channel Ravi Kant RK Production and Namaste from India. I am Ravi Kant, your trainer. Today our topic is how to convert latitude longitude value into UTM coordinate and vice versa. The company is eSurvey Solution. They created the converter and it is free for use and very simple and easy to use this. Okay, so in this video we will teach you how to convert latitude longitude into UTM coordinates or vice versa. So let's start the video and please stay with our video, don't skip it, watch it full, then you can learn how to convert these topics. So let's start now. This is our screen and I already mentioned prepared Excel sheet. This is the example Excel sheet. These are the latitude longitude value and these are the UTM coordinates. I mentioned their zone also and hemisphere and north also, and decimal degree I already mentioned here. So now I will tell you how to convert these. So this is our setup. We have to install it. Next I will tell you how to download this setup. Okay, now install this. Next, accept the conditions, next, and install. And your software, this converter software will be installed easily. Now see the desktop, and at desktop the Lat Long icon will be appear. You have to double click on this Lat Long icon and this dialog box will be appear. This is our converter dialog box. Here you see UTM tab, Lat Long tab and bulk tab also. Yeah, you can convert UTM to Lat Long and Lat Long to UTM from this converter. So now I will open both. This is Excel sheet, this is our converter interface. You have to choose here map datum. Map datum should be WGS 84. Next you have to mention zone. Next I will tell you how to find the zone. Okay, in last video I will tell you this. Next hemisphere, north or south. Next in last of the video I will explain you about hemisphere also, how to know about the hemisphere and zone. Please be with our video. And now you can copy paste your easting and northing. Okay, copy paste your easting here, copy paste your northing here. And how much precision after point, after decimal, how much precision you need, 2 3 4, how much you can mention here. After that click on convert and this will be the result. Here you see latitude longitude in degree minute second and in degree decimal also. Okay, you can get the data like this. I will close this now. And next, from Lat Long to UTM. In Lat Long to UTM you have to also mention the map datum also. Map datum should be WGS 84. Next you have to mention latitude and longitude value. These values should be decimal degrees. And check the precision, convert, and this is the result. Here you can see northing value, easting value and zone, everything is okay. Now for example you have long data, you have many data and you need to convert in bulk. So go to bulk button and see your data in which format. Now I have opened template. Your data, your UTM data should be in this format. If you want to convert UTM to Lat Long, format should be like this. Then open your file from here, open, and you can click on convert. But before this you have to mention here map datum WGS 84. Okay, then you can click on convert. And next, from Lat Long to UTM, this is the template. Your data should be in decimal degree and latitude first, then longitude, and you can save the file in this format. After that you can open the file from here, click here, open the file, open, click on convert, and your data will be convert. Okay, so you can easily understand and you can easily convert your data UTM to Lat Long, Lat Long to UTM. This is very easy software. Now let me tell you how to find the zone and hemisphere of your data. So for this zone and hemisphere, I will explain you. We have a website. Go to Google www.dmap.co.uk. This is the website. You can download whole earth map from Google, this website. You can see here they already mentioned these boxes. These are the zone boxes, and in north these are the north hemisphere, south hemisphere. You can save this in picture form also. I already saved this. So which example I already showed you in our video, Excel example. I mentioned their zone 43 and hemisphere north. So this location nearby in India, in Himachal Pradesh, here this is a 43 zone, and you see this is the hemisphere north. So like this you can understand your location and you can learn very well. So this is our converter, and in this converter you can convert the value like this. So next I will tell you how to download this converter. So this is the website esurveying.net. From this website you can download this converter, or you can go to our description box. There we already mentioned this link. So when you will open this website, this interface will be open, and this e-surveying soft tech, this is very useful website for surveyors and civil engineers. Here you can see already they also mentioned the data. Check this, don't download from here because this download didn't work. Okay, you have to click here, UTM converter.exe. You have to click here and your download will automatically start. And when this downloading will finish, your setup will be saved in your computer and you can install this converter. And I already showed you, this is very easy to use. Thanks for watching our video. You can download this converter from the website, link already given in description box, or you can comment your mail ID so that we can mail you this converter. And keep share our videos, subscribe our channel, and thanks for support us. Please subscribe and press bell icon and share our video. Thank you. Bye. We will see you next video.